Where she bought it? From a shop in Aurora Mall. And the second paragraph, my dear students, on 19th April, this is the date. You have to mention in your complaint letter the date. When did you buy the item? I bought teen laptop from your shop. Unfortunately, it seems to be faulty. When I tried to use the charger, it didn't work. You have to mention the problem in the second paragraph also. Paragraph 3, what do you want from the shop you bought from them the item? I would appreciate if you could replace it with another one of the same make. I have enclosed copies of my invoice and guarantee. You should mention this in the third paragraph. I look forward to reply. Also, you have to mention how can they contact you and when. This is very important, the last paragraph. At the end, as this letter is formal letter, you have to end it with yours faithfully. You have to sign it and write your full name. This is what we call it a complaint letter. Let's have more practice on this. These are the paragraphs as I explained before. Paragraph 1, 2, 3. This is the opening. Before you have Dear Sir, Madam, paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3, and the ending remarks here at the end of the letter. This is what we call a complaint letter. Now, my dear students, let's move on with our lesson. Task 3. Here, you have a layout of a complaint letter. Paragraph 1, opening remarks. Paragraph 2, main body. And paragraph 3, closing remarks. Here you have the parts of the paragraph. We want to match each paragraph with its information that is included in each paragraph. For example, information of how they can contact. In which paragraph we can write this information? What you want to be done about the problem? In which paragraph? The reason why you are writing. Important facts about your purchase. And last one, details about what the problem is. I'll give you time to think and to match in the right paragraph. Let's check our answers. Paragraph 1, the reasons why you are writing the letter. Paragraph 2, details about what the problem is. Again, in paragraph 2, important facts about your purchase. Paragraph 3, what you want be done about the problem, and information of how they can contact you. This is the layout of a complaint letter. Task 4. Here, my dear students, let's read the question together. On 20th March, you bought a dress from the teens shop on the avenues, but when you washed it, the color had faded. Write a letter of complaint to the shop manager asking for a refund. Here is the letter with the blanks. You started with Dear Sir and Madam, and paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3. And in the end, you have to sign your name, of course. These are some clues to help you to write the letter. I'll give you 2 minutes to do this task. Now, my dear students, let's check your answers together. Now, my dear students, the last task in our lesson. You have a problem here. You are going to write a complaint letter. You recently bought a Nintendo from Teens Technology Shop in the Avenues. When you used it for a week, you realize that it doesn't charge accurately. Write a letter of complaint to the shop manager asking for a refund or an exchange. Here, my dear students, you can follow here the same layout we showed before or we discussed before. Dear Sir, Madam, the opening remarks, and you answer the questions. You will write your complaint letter. Your words shouldn't be less than 100 to 120 words. And don't forget to sign your letter. You can assess your letter by going through this sheet. You have a self-assessment sheet here. Did you use the past tense as something you bought it before? You wrote the 3 paragraphs. I write 100 to 120 words. You use the correct spelling. I use correct punctuation marks and the right capitalization. I follow the correct layout. I write about all the points below. I write Dear Sir, Madam as the opening remarks, and in the end, closing remarks, yours faithfully or full name. I write the reasons for writing. I write what, when, how, where I bought. I describe the item, color, material, shape, etc. I write what the problem is, what I want to do. I write the contact number, address. After you finish this, you can assess yourself if your complaint letter is completed or not. Thank you, my dear students. This is the end of our lesson. See you next lesson.